In 2029, an asteroid the size of the Eiffel Tower will pass closer to Earth than any asteroid of its size in recorded history. Scientists have been monitoring it for years and have observed that it could hit Earth. This asteroid, named Apophis, was discovered in 2004 and captured the attention of astronomers worldwide as the highest threat level ever recorded for any asteroid. If it were to collide with our planet, how much would its impact on Earth and where it can potentially collide with Earth? Well, I know you could have many questions coming into your mind, so be ready to watch this video until the end. There are so many asteroids that have passed by Earth and are still expected to pass near Earth, if we can talk about the recent one, which is 2023 BU. This asteroid passed near Earth on January 26, 2023. The crazy thing about this asteroid is that it was found just 5 days before it passed by the Earth. It was 5 to 8 meters in diameter, about the size of a truck. Even if it had entered Earth's atmosphere, it would have likely disintegrated and caused little or no damage. Apophis was discovered on June 19, 2004, by astronomers Roy A. Tucker, David J. Tholen, and Fabrizio Bernardi at the Kitt Peak National Observatory in Arizona, as part of the NASA-funded University of Hawaii's asteroid survey. It raised serious concerns in the astronomical community and media because of the highest risk of its impact on Earth ever recorded in history. It was named after the ancient god of chaos and destruction, which refers to the initial fear that the asteroid could seriously threaten Earth in 2029. However, after Apophis's orbit came into sharp focus, astronomers were able to detect the possibility of its impact in 2029. It is still considered a near-Earth object that will pass extremely close to the Earth on April 13, 2029. Its potential impact on Earth in 2029 earned it a level 4 rating on the Turin scale. This scale, used to classify the hazards associated with near-Earth objects, ranges from 0 to 10. A level 4 rating indicates a high probability of a close encounter, while levels 5 to 7 represent severe threats requiring planning for potential impacts. But is it still a threat to us? We could say that as Apophis passes close to Earth on 13th April 2029, it will come within 31,600 kilometers, 19,600 miles of our planet, even closer than many geostationary satellites orbiting Earth. At this distance, Earth's gravity will have a measurable effect on the asteroid's orbit. This gravitational pull could slightly alter its orbit, a phenomenon known as a gravitational keyhole effect. A keyhole is a small region in space where, if an asteroid passes through, Earth's gravity would adjust its trajectory in such a way that it could return on a future collision course. If we compare the size of the Apophis, it is 340 meters in diameter, which means 1,100 feet, and it is roughly the same size as the Eiffel Tower, which stands at 330 meters, and is a bit shorter than the Empire State Building in New York, which is 443 meters. If it were to hit Earth, it would be enormous, and this is comparable to some of the most powerful events in Earth's history. This cosmic large enough to cause serious concern on Earth, like the widespread loss of life, because it would strike Earth at a speed of 12.6 kilometers per second, or 200 miles per hour. And scientists have calculated that it will release over 1,200 megatons of kinetic energy, equivalent to 80,000 times the energy released by the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima in 1945, which was about 15 kilotons. Such an event could lead to significant global climate disruption. In 1908, the Tunguska asteroid, which was likely about 50-60 meters in diameter, caused an explosion over Siberia that released an estimated 10 to 15 megatons of energy, flattening trees over 2,000 square kilometers. Apophis would release about 80 to 120 times more energy than Tunguska. So now you can imagine its impact 80 to 120 times more. But if we compare it to the Chicxulub impact, scientists believe that the asteroid that caused the extinction of the dinosaurs is estimated to be around 10-15 kilometers in diameter and released 100 million megatons of energy and wiped out 75% of all life on Earth, including the dinosaurs. While the impact of Apophis would not be extinction level, it would still cause catastrophic damage on a scale rarely seen in human history. But its direct impact would anyway cause widespread devastation over thousands of square kilometers, with an enormous crater, shockwaves, earthquakes, and extreme heat. If it hits the ocean, massive tsunamis could be triggered. impacting coastal regions around the world. Well, there have been many impacts throughout the Earth's history, but none of them destroyed humanity. But a few years back, a 20-meter-wide asteroid known as Chelyabinsk meteor exploded on February 15, 2013 in Russia. It entered Earth's atmosphere at a speed of around 19 kilometers per second and exploded at an altitude of about 30 kilometers over Chelyabinsk, a city in Russia. Its explosion caused significant damage, like broken windows, and injured around 1,500 people. The death toll could range in the millions, but it depends on its potential strike on Earth, whether in populated areas, open land, or in the ocean. As we get to know about its threat and impact, the next question remains: do we have any technology to stop it, or will it in the future? Well, humanity has developed significant technologies to track near-Earth objects. Space agencies like NASA and the European Space Agency have been working to monitor these objects. Few of the projects, like the Planetary Defense Coordination Office and ESA's Space Safety Program, are specially dedicated to tracking near-Earth objects. They have developed several methods, and one of them is kinetic impactor. How does this method actually work? The concept is very simple. A high-speed spacecraft is sent into an asteroid to change its orbit. NASA even tested this technique with the DART mission in 2022, and this successfully impacted the asteroid Dimorphos, altering its orbit. This made history in planetary defense to show that this method works. Now, you may feel thanked for those technologies or methods that have been developed, but this method is only viable option for very small asteroids to prevent them from hitting or colliding with the Earth. But humanity is not fully prepared to stop an asteroid like Apophis. Other methods to stop asteroids like nuclear deflections and gravity tractor can be used only for larger asteroids, and these methods have never been tested for a few reasons. Fortunately, the Earth did not face any collision threat from a large asteroid, so space agencies can use this method to stop an asteroid from colliding with the Earth. Secondly, both methods involve high-cost, advanced, and complex technologies that require long-term development. When the space rock will make its closest approach to Earth in 2029, the puzzling question arises. How can this object, roughly the size of 3 football fields, be seen with the naked eye? As it gets closer, it will reflect more sunlight. It is also estimated that it will reach a magnitude of about 3.1, which is bright enough to be seen with the naked eye in areas with low light and pollution. It is expected to be seen in Europe, Africa, and parts of Asia, where the night sky will be dark at the time of its closest approach, so it will be a good opportunity for the general public to see an asteroid of this size passing so close to the Earth. It will move quickly because of its speed of 28,000 kilometers per hour, so it is giving many people a chance to see it with naked eye. So don't miss out on the opportunity. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.